back to my channel. Today we're doing something different. I'm here at a storage unit and we were tasked with emptying it out, bringing it to the dump, getting rid of it, but we're gonna see if there are any treasures that we can find and either keep or resell or something. So I thought I'd take you along for the process of that. I unfortunately just had to pee in a bucket, but it wasn't too bad and it's raining. So we'll have to figure that out, but let's get started. All right guys, I just wanted to show you the before. Look how packed this thing is, and we got some stuff in the trailer already. But we're making a little hole since it's raining of stuff that we're gonna keep. But look how nice some of this stuff is. Antique. Ooh, look at this chair.
I like those chairs.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That's like mid-century modern. Awesome.
Look at all this brass.
Look at this.
We're gonna be here all day.
I know. This is a candle holder.
There's 4 of them.
Hi guys, it's voiceover me. I just wanted to give y'all some context for what we're doing. My brother owns a junk removal company and he does a lot of work with storage facilities. And if people stop paying for their unit, or if someone passes away and no one comes to claim it after being notified, then the units will normally go to auction. And if no one buys them at auction, like this one, then the storage facility will call a junk company to just get rid of everything. What is this? What is this? Oh, just darling. Keep it. Keep it! Look how cute that is.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, cute. That would sell. Unless you want to keep it.
Oh.
Bruh, this is the best unit ever. That might sell.
You think?
What is it?
What is it?
Not a machine gun. God, a rock hard. And I know it can be upsetting to see what gets thrown away, but this is just the reality of what it's like behind the scenes. We try to give everything that we can a second life, but not everything can be salvaged. And just donating boxes can be really tricky because you have to remember that you never know what you're going to find in these units. This unit was pretty clean, but there was still rat poop in everything, which is very common. Almost every facility that I've been to, and I don't do this often, but they do it all the time, and pretty much every single one of them has a rat problem. And then there's items that can be broken in the boxes. So not only is this stuff just kind of gross, and we would have to spend the time to go through every single box and then wash everything, which just isn't realistic. It could also be dangerous because, I mean, they've found needles and every kind of bodily fluid and secretion. So it's just really not realistic or safe to be donating all this stuff. But all the good stuff that's like worth it will be cleaned and sold, kept, or donated. It's a matching set!
The drawer is a little funky.
Got it. Oh wow, you got it. Mid-century modern, mid-century modern. really help with this kind of thing anymore, but over the summer, my friend Rachel and I took charge of like a business within a business. The guys would bring anything that seemed valuable to the shop in my brother's backyard, and then Rachel and I would resell it. It was actually really fun, and it was like the perfect side hustle because there was no financial risk involved. Matthew got paid to take the junk, and then we would just clean it up and sell it. And if it didn't sell, then we'd either bring it to Goodwill or just throw it in the back of the trailer to go to the dump. And it was actually pretty profitable. So if you are interested in like the whole resale space, obviously there's more risk involved when you are buying the items to resell. But if you do your research on what is valuable and what isn't, then it really can be a pretty profitable business.
What on earth?
Guys, it was so wet and cold when we were doing this. It was never like a torrential downpour or anything, but it was just like a constant rain. I was wearing Converse and my toes got so cold and stiff that I couldn't even bend them. And it wasn't supposed to rain this day, so we didn't bring a box truck or anything to keep the furniture safe. So we ended up having to plan to rent a box truck for me to drive all the way home, which was over an hour away. But thank God it cleared up last minute and we were able to get everything back home before it started raining again. And I'm so glad because I've never driven a box truck before and I was very nervous to have to drive it through downtown Atlanta.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
Oh, because candles. It's a candlestick lamp. If you guys want to get a bunch of free stuff, the life hack is to become friends with a junk person. Matthew's been doing this business for years, and I can't tell you how many of us have gotten new furniture or artwork or even clothes from him. He's done work for this one family who gets rid of literal brand new clothes whenever they clean out their closets. So I've gotten brand new or barely used clothes from Lululemon, Free People, Aritzia, Zara, places like that. All of them were my size and literally so cute. I wear it all the time. But you can just tell them to be on the lookout for something you want. Like if you say like you want a walking pad or something, chances are he's going to find it in the next week or two. So that's my life hack for saving money. Be friends with junk man.
This is what I have always wanted. I have looked for one of these my whole life.
A bench?
A farm bench. Look at this. Look how cute this is.
Oh,
oh my gosh.
this is worth $500. Wow.
Can I keep that?
I don't care.
Unless it's worth like a ton of money. It's worth a ton of money, but I have...
Doesn't matter, just keep it.
Oh. Grandmommy, this is for you. Chicken.
Oh, jeez. I feel like you don't even need to be up there. I can literally reach everything from right
Remember?
here.
Remember when I was a kid?
Ew.
I'm moving stuff and being super strong.
Oh, yeah. Is that not just the cutest thing you've ever seen?
They didn't even see it.
It's not for their eyes. Yeah.
That has brought me so much joy thinking about that over the years.
Oh! Yes! Yes!
An egg?
Yes! To put in your fridge! I am keeping this. People do restock. People always do restock my eggs with me.
The noise you make kind of freaks me out a little bit.
Let's see it. Ooh, that's
There's two of them.
very cool indeed.
There's two of them.
That's actually really cool.
Keep that.
Completely blocking.
Oh. Much better.
Alright guys, we have officially gotten all the trash out and now we're just left with everything that we're gonna keep / sell. These are actually really cool tables. I'll have to show you later. Some coffee tables with the glass. He found a farmhouse bench that he's gonna keep. And then look at all these antiques. Those are really cute. So, we're about to go to the dump. And
I don't know what to do with my hands.
I never know.
Do I?
Wow. That looks expensive. Wait. That one is cool. The other one. Cool. Those are so like outward. Look how cool these are. I know.
Look at this lamp. You put candles here, and then it vents out the top, and then there's lamp up there. It's so cool.
Alright guys, we're finishing up here. We went to the dump and got rid of all just the trash, and then we kept, this is stuff that we are either keeping for ourselves or it was just small enough to put in here for us to sell. This is filled with metal to bring to the metal recycle. And then these chairs, I'm so sad, we were gonna sell them. Obviously this one's dirty, but I was gonna clean it. But they're different heights. They're not the same height and they're not adjustable, so they're kind of useless, so we're just throwing them away. But we got all the antique stuff in here, and then here is the after of the unit. Can you believe?
Excuse me.
Can you believe this is the same unit? Like it was literally stacked to the ceiling, and now she's all clean. So now we're just gonna bring all this stuff to my house actually, and we're gonna put it all in my garage. Amazing. There's a good bit that we both want to keep. There are so many cute things here. If I had a place for some of this stuff, I totally would keep it. So cute. But hopefully it will do well on Facebook Marketplace. All right guys, it's the next day. Yesterday it started raining on us and it was wet and cold, and it was getting dark. So I figured I'd just show you everything today in the daylight. I can't believe how cute all this stuff is. So I'm keeping some of this. I'm keeping this trash can, that little basket, And then all these little trinkets. And then this cute pillowcase. And this sweet little like blanket. And I also got one of these egg things, which is kind of random but fun. All right, and then for the furniture, there's just a lot of mid-century modern, which is so popular. I think all of this is gonna sell really, really well. These breadboards, and then these like little cowboy stools I think are so cool. I love those. And look at these chairs. I'm obsessed with these. Just some cool stuff. This would be good for firewood to put by your fireplace. And then there's this little cabinet and this matching set. And then this mirror that I'm going to keep actually. Look at this little farmhouse bench. And then she had all this wood. If you look back here, all these big pieces of wood that are really cool. People love this kind of stuff to just hang up in their houses. And then look at this dresser. It's crazy. It's very ornate. I have all the drawers out right now because I'm gonna clean inside of it. But it's very pretty. And then I looked these up. These are apparently worth a lot of money. And then these cool little tables. I can't really get a good angle. Here you go. Look how cool these are. And they're like brand new. And they have pull out. They pull out right here. But anyways. Alright guys, and that is everything that we got from that storage unit. I decided to make this a series because I have a feeling this video is going to be really long. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how I clean everything and prepare it to be listed, how I figure out the value of each item and what to actually list it as, and then how much it actually sells for. So if you're interested in that, then follow along. I'm really excited for this series. This stuff is so fun to me. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!